Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Pantry Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today's royalty? The bold little berry that took over the world, black pepper. Let's crack into a story full of flavor, fire, and centuries of global drama. Here we go. Sprinkled on eggs, cracked over pasta, or infused in sauces, black pepper is everywhere. But have you ever wondered how this bold little spice earned its crown? It's in your kitchen right now, isn't it? A quick twist of the grinder and boom, flavor explosion. But black pepper isn't just a background player in your meals. Its story is tangled in ancient trade, fierce rivalries, and a spice so prized it once rivaled gold. Once called black gold, pepper was so valuable it helped shape the world. Ancient traders carried it from the lush coasts of India to the grand halls of Europe, where it became a symbol of power and luxury. Wars were fought for it, fortunes made and lost, all for a pinch of spice. So, where does this mighty grain actually come from? Let's follow it back to the source. Black pepper starts its life on tall vines thriving in tropical climates. The berries are picked while still green, then boiled and laid out under the sun. As they dry, they wrinkle, darken, and develop that signature bite. Nature's seasoning, sun-cooked and spice-packed. But black isn't the only color pepper wears. There's more to this spice's wardrobe than you might expect. Black, white, green, and red. Peppercorns may share a vine, but their colors come from how they're processed. Black is dried whole for bold heat. White has the outer layer removed, making it milder. Green is picked early and fresh and stored in a dry, cool place. And red? It is the fully ripe fruit that still brings the zing. So what gives pepper its famous zing? Let's peek under the microscope. Meet piperine, the fiery little compound behind pepper's punch. It doesn't just tingle your tongue, it also boosts how well your body absorbs nutrients. It gets your digestion going and even gives your taste buds a little wake-up call. And it turns out this heat brings some serious health perks too. Beyond flavor, black pepper acts like a mini health shield. It's packed with antioxidants, fights inflammation, and may even support your brain. Just a sprinkle can go a surprisingly long way in supporting your body. Maybe that's why it shows up in kitchens all over the world. From Indian curries and Chinese five-spice to creamy Italian sauces and French steak au poivre, pepper makes dishes sing across continents. It's the silent hero behind bold flavors, adding depth, kick, and warmth no matter the cuisine. So how can you make the most of it in your own kitchen? Let's crack into that next. For maximum flavor, grind it fresh. Want deeper notes? Toast the whole peppercorns before using. Add early to let the heat simmer, or finish late for a final burst of brightness. It's all in the timing and the technique. But freshness doesn't last forever. Here's how to keep your pepper royal. Whole peppercorns are like tiny flavor vaults, keeping their punch much longer than pre-ground. Store them in a cool, dark spot and grind as needed to unlock their full power. Remember, fresh means flavorful. All this from a humble little berry. No wonder it wears the crown. From ancient currency to everyday essential, black pepper has held its throne for centuries. Tiny but mighty, bold yet versatile, it's the true king of spice. Long may it reign. Love your spice stories? Subscribe and turn up the flavor on every episode.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.